Good morning, everybody. You're welcome to this first session on day 2. This is titled Protecting Our Future. It's focused on forest health research, and particularly pathogens that affect our commercial species, and particularly, and also, in one example, our native species. There's 2 parts to this session. The first one's around the Healthy Trees and Healthy Future program and the Nettle Disease Research Program, and secondly, there's another part on the potential for biocontrol of pathogens. In regards to the Healthy Trees, Healthy Future program, it's been a 6-year program with significant funding from MBIE and also from the Levy and other parties. This program has been aimed to improve our knowledge around Phytophthora diseases, which is responsible for red needlecast in radiata pine, Kodu dieback, and also losses in our horticultural crops such as apples. The program has been cross-sector, led by Scion, involves other parties such as Plant and Food and Land Care Research. In regards to the Nettle Disease Research Program, this has been primarily focused on, again, red needlecast. It's aimed at understand the extent of the disease and its environmental conditions that favour the development of the disease, its growth impact, and also potential control options. There's also 3 other well-known diseases involved in that program: Dothostroma, Cyclone Newsma, and physiological needle blight. In regards to the second part of the session and the potential for control of biocontrol of pathogens, this has been led by the Bioprotection Research Centre at Lincoln, and the aim of this one has been to identify beneficial organisms that will improve the health and productivity of not only radiata pine but also other species that's been looked at in cypresses and Douglas fir. And Travis Glare, who's the director and from the Bioprotection Centre, will be speaking, as well as Helen Whelan, who's leading the Trichoderma Forestry Research Program there. And I should also mention that there's apologies because their profiles have been omitted from the proceedings. But firstly, I would like to welcome the Scion, who's talking about the Healthy Trees and Healthy Future and Nettle Disease programs. We have Lindsay Ballman, Alan Tan, Natalie Graham, and Rebecca McDougall speaking. And Lindsay, who leads the forest protection team at Scion, will be starting first. So Lindsay, welcome.